If you've clicked on this video, you should have just finished reading Chapter 3 of Lupita Mañana and already completed Part 1 of your Connections handout. If you are here, as you were reading, completed all of your text-to-text, text-to-self, and text-to-world connections. So this whole section should be completely filled out. If so, you're ready for the next part, where we're translating our tree map into complete sentences. So you're going to start with just one of them from each of the different categories and take it into a complete sentence. So we start off with, what I just read reminds me of a time when. This is our text-to-self connection. You would fill out one of your connections from the previous page on this line to make a complete sentence. Same thing with the following, text-to-text and text-to-world. Starting with the phrase, what I just read reminds me of, or makes me think about. And then make sure you're explaining, so you say why. Go ahead and do that. When you're ready to resume, please press play again. For the next section, you're just generally testing your connection ability. And in this case, the directions say, make one of each type of connection to any significant event that has occurred in the novel so far. So it sounds like I can use any significant event from chapters 1 through 3. And we're reminded to cite the page number of the event you're connecting to in the text. So before, we talked about a few separate significant events. We talked about Mama not being at work. We talked about Mr. Torres's death. And then since then, we've read of even more significant events in chapters 2 and 3. So you're looking to make some connections to those major events and to respond in complete sentences. Go ahead and do that, and when you're ready to resume the video, and we'll move on to the exit slip. Okay, great work. You're doing such a nice job staying super focused. Our very last step is to take a look at our exit slip. This should be completed on your own, with no talking for sure. In the exit slip, you'll circle the best answer for the following multiple choice questions on Chapter 3. Take a look at all these questions that you have to answer. Your goal is 8 out of 10. I'll read the questions to you, but you need to answer them. Number 1, why didn't the Torres girls go to school? Number 2, why was it Lupita's dream job just a dream? Number 3, where does Mama tell Lupita to hide the money? Number 4, why did Lupita have to travel in disguise? Number 5, how do Lupita and Salvador get to Tijuana? Number 6, what languages do Lupita and Salvador speak? Number 7, what happened with the people in the red car? Number 8, why is Lupita concerned about Salvador's knife? Number 9, and 10, you'll be naming connections in different scenarios. Good luck. Hopefully you get 9 out of 10 correct so you can get full points for this assignment. If you happen to finish early, please make sure that you're caught up on all of your work for this week. You can go ahead and get a jump start on summarizing Chapter 3 so that you don't have homework. Thanks so much for participating in today's lesson. Bye-bye.